Okay, y'all are real interested in the camera, so y'all can say hi.
Hi.
Okay, today we're going to be matching sounds to pictures. Everybody look at my finger. Don't look at the camera, look at my finger. Look, my finger's right here, Brock. Apple, teeth, running, night, monster, lights, scarecrow, bat, pumpkin, flashlight, haunted house, candy corn, door, ghost, iguana. When I point to it, y'all tell me what it is.
Apple, teeth, wedding, night, monster, light, scarecrow, bat, pumpkin, light.
What light?
Light.
Flashlight. Flashlight.
Haunted house, candy corn, door, ghost, banana.
Okay, we're going to go Brock, Riser, Andrew. We're going to take turns. Brock, do you know what letter this is? What does A say? A says A. Find the picture that starts with the sound A. Okay, now A is for apple. Everybody say A is for apple.
A is for apple.
A says A.
A says A.
Good job, Brock. Okay, Riser. Look at those hands in ready. Everybody's in ready.
Do we get a
Do you know what letter this is? We can get a candy corn at the end.
P.
Okay, what does P say? Find the picture that starts with the sound P. That's right. P is for pumpkin. Everybody say P is for pumpkin.
P is for pumpkin.
P says P.
P says P.
Good job. Hey, Andrew, do you know what letter this is?
N.
N. What does N say? Find the picture that starts with the sound
Night.
It's Andrew's turn, Riser. You had a turn. N is for night. Everybody say N is for night.
N is for night.
N says
N says
Good job. Hey, Brock, it's your turn. Look at those hands and ready. Everybody's ready. You guys are doing such a great job. What letter is this? Do you know?
C.
Do you know what C says? That's right. You used to say it says. You know what it says now. I'm so proud of you.
K.
Like K. C says like K. Find the picture that starts with the sound K. Remember, it's Brock's turn. Let him figure it out. Not right now, Keaton, okay?
Candy corn.
Candy corn. Everybody say C is for candy corn.
C for candy corn.
C says
C says K.
Let's try that again. C says
C says K.
Good job.
Could we think of one that says that begins with K?
Sure, what else begins with the sound K?
Cat.
Cat. Good job. Okay. Riser, it's your turn, buddy. What letter is that?
E.
G. And what does G say? No, that's a J. It says g, 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 like you're drinking a drink. G, 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 g. What starts with the sound G? G.
I know it, but I'm not going to say.
Don't tell him. That's an iguana. I. What starts with the sound G? G. You can do it. G. G.
Somewhere on the bottom.
Okay, Andrew gave you a clue. Ghost. Everybody say G is for ghost.
G is for ghost.
G says G.
G says G.
Good job. Hey, Andrew, you ready? What's this letter?
L.
What does L say?
O.
Find the picture that starts with the sound O.
Oh, it's somewhere at the top.
You don't have to give him a clue. He can find it. Oh, that's a Flashlight. Those are lights. Everybody say L is for light. L says ooh. Good job. All right, Broxteroni, it's your turn again. What letter is that?
M.
What does M say? Find the picture that starts with the sound
Come on the top.
Andrew, I said no more clues. No more clues, okay? That's only if somebody's having a hard time, then we can help them. I'll let you know when you can give them a clue, okay?
Iguana.
Iguana starts with the sound it. Monster. Everybody say M is for monster.
M is for monster.
M says
M says
Good job. Okay, Riser? That's I. And what does I say? It.
Like our sight word.
Like our sight word. Iguana. You are so smart. I is for iguana.
I is for iguana.
I says it.
I says it.
Hey, and sometimes I says its name too. It says I. I says I and it. Okay? Andrea, do you know what letter this is?
D.
D. And what does D say?
Duh.
D. Find the picture that starts with the sound D. Look at these hands and ready. Look how nicely y'all are waiting.
I don't see two groups here. I don't see two hands.
D.
We're gonna get candy corn.
Yeah, you're gonna get candy corn if y'all do a good job on the lesson. Okay. What letter is this? Brock.
B.
Riser. Okay, what does B say? Find the picture that starts with the sound B.
Bat.
Bat. Good job. Everybody say B is for bat.
B is for bat.
B says B.
B says B.
Riser, you're gonna know what this one is. What is that?
R.
R. And what starts with R?
Riser.
Riser. Okay, and what does R say?
Hey, I have that in my name.
You do have that in your name.
And
but
I
this
have that in my name.
is, you do. Okay, R says what? Find a picture that starts with the sound You can do it. Hands and ready, Brock.
Okay, now, you see two groups? Okay,
What's Shaggy doing?
two groups.
Running. Say R is for running. R says Good
If you're
job.
running, that means you're doing exercise.
If you're running, that means you're doing exercise. What letter is this?
C. I mean
No,
S.
it's an S. And what does S
Guys,
say?
put the markers up. You're not
Find a
doing
picture that
markers.
starts with the sound
You play sums of 10. Erase it. Okay, get the sums of
Over here, Riser.
Scarecrow.
Scarecrow. Everybody say S is for scarecrow.
S is scarecrow.
S says
S says
keep Xing out of it. Every time you X out of it, you go.
Broxteroni. What letter is that?
I got two handfuls, don't I?
It's not an I, it's a T. What does T say? Find the picture that starts with the sound T.
haunted house.
Haunted house. Everybody say H is for haunted house.
H is for haunted house.
H says
H says that's not
good.
H. That's E.
Oh no! I was looking at the H in my hand. You are so smart. This is T and T says T. What is T? What starts with the sound T?
T.
Miss McDonald is so silly. Okay, everybody say T is for teeth. T says T.
T says T.
Is this an H?
What's that group?
No. Say silly, Miss McDonald. Now
And those are
this.
vampires.
Yeah, this is an H. And what does H say? H doesn't say G. H says. Okay. Find the picture that starts with the sound.
Okay. This is what you keep doing.
H
okay?
is for haunted
Now,
house.
This is what I want you to
H
do.
is so haunted house.
H says,
I want
H says,
Evan to come
hey,
over
we
here
have
and
one
do-
more.
look
Miss
over
McDonald
here.
left it out. Andrew, you're gonna have to figure out what this starts with. What is this?
F.
Ways to make 10.
That's for F.
It starts with the sound F. How did you know? How did you know that started with the letter F?
I just think of it in my mind.
Oh, because what does F say? So you knew F was for flashlight. Okay, guys, you did do a great job.
I want pumpkin.
You
I
want a
want
pumpkin?
chocolate.
Oh, Andrew, we
Can I
don't have a
have
chocolate one.
It's on the ground.
I can't reach it.
Can
You
I have a pumpkin?
Yep. You want a pumpkin or a regular candy corn?
I want a chocolate candy corn.
Oh my gosh, Andrew, I can't reach it. Okay. There you go. There you go. Okay, you guys can go to math stations. Goodbye.
Okay. 0 red. Okay.